Hello and welcome to Umalogs. Are you ready to rock a look that is full of personality and natural beauty? We are talking about the 4C short popcorn coily style. This isn't just a haircut, it's a statement of beauty. With its tight, defined curls, it creates a unique texture that is playful, bold, and absolutely stunning. Think of it as a low-maintenance way to celebrate your natural hair's incredible volume and bounce. But to keep those beautiful curls popping, a little love goes a long way. First, moisture is your best friend. Spritz your hair daily with a mix of water and leave-in conditioner to keep it hydrated and healthy. Protect your hair at night. Wrap your hair in a satin or silk bonnet to prevent frizz and preserve those curls while you sleep. Be gentle. When you do a wash day, detangle with your fingers or a wide tooth comb while your hair is saturated with conditioner. This prevents breakage and keeps your curls intact. Embrace the shrinkage, celebrate the texture, and let your short hairstyle shine. And let your short, natural coily hair shine. And if you found this video helpful, do not forget to like this video, subscribe to On My Locks, and turn the notification bell to get notified any single time we post new videos.